Hey guys, so interesting meme coin alpha, and I didn't know that I will be talking about meme coins, but here it is. Here is the Milady meme coin, secures 5 million investment, which is quite insane. And why I'm talking about Milady? First of all, I have never seen a meme coin securing an investment, and why personally I like this project is because this is where it came from. Basically, Elon Musk in 2023 just posted this, and this is one of the Milady PFPs. And when we scroll down, we can see this is the NFT collection, and right here it is. Right here you can see Milady Maker. They basically created this collection. Someone created in August 2021. That's basically quite early bull run in 2021. Elon Musk basically posted this in 2023, 2 years later, and after that the price went to 7.3 Ethereum floor, which was probably around 14,000 because Ethereum was at 2,000. Right now the floor is 5 Ethereum, and it is growing because of the fund, the investment. Right here you can see the floor is 5 Ethereum. The Ethereum right now is at around 4,000, like less than that, but the floor it means the floor is $20,000, right? Let's see. The floor price is 5.9 Ethereum. It is 19,000. So almost 20,000. The price will be going up. And there is also the meme coin, Milady meme coin. Right here you can see this is basically the project that has the investment. I don't know if it's tied to this NFT project. Maybe it is. When it came out in June 2023. So this is probably not tied. Yeah, this is probably not tied, but this meme coin basically secured a $5 million investment. These are the projects that I am personally bullish on when we are talking about meme coins, because everything that comes from Elon Musk, that is the most organic and natural meme coins, because other meme coins are from insiders. 99% of meme coins are from secret insider groups, secret Telegram groups. That's why I'm interested only in meme coins that are from created from Elon Musk posting, just meme posting on Twitter, which he basically did more a few years ago. Now he's political and all that stuff. But yeah, this is quite bullish. I think the price will probably go up, and right now we can see the market cap is fully diluted, is $222 million. But as we know, for example, Pepe, the meme coin on Ethereum, is worth around $6 billion. So this means that, for example, if this goes 30x, this is $6 billion meme coin as well. And if you talk about meme coins and all-time highs, let's see. I think Shiba Inu right now market cap is 14 billion. So I basically got this wrong. This means that Pepe, oh yeah, Shiba Inu is higher. So Shiba Inu has $14 billion market cap. That's insane. And how much was it in the highest point? Market cap was $35 billion. And looking at the fact that this meme coin season is much bigger than it was in 2021. It means there will be probably 50 billion, maybe even $100 billion market cap meme coins. That's why project like this that actually secures an $5 million investment, I'm quite bullish on. It means that price could go to 1 billion or even few billions quite easily. Although I have zero of this meme coin, I'm just posting some alpha. Looks like you can buy it on Arbitrum, so there are basically few cent dollar gas fees. That means few cent gas fees. Looks like the circulating supply is 82%, so there are not much to unlock. So yeah, I'm bullish on the Milady meme coin. So that's basically what I wanted to share today. This is some good alpha. I will share more alpha, and if you don't want to miss on any upcoming airdrop, crypto and NFT alpha, I am basically in this crypto space 24/7. I will be dropping more alpha and dropping more alpha on my Patreon channel that I created recently. So if you don't want to miss out, subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload you get a notification instantly, so you don't miss out on any upcoming alpha. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.